Right now, allergy and eating disorders are two of the fastest growing challenges worldwide. Millions of children and young people are affected by both. Yet, despite their impact, we still don't understand why these two conditions so often overlap. Allergy and eating disorders are studied in silos. Allergy looks at immune pathways, eating disorder research looks at psychiatric and behavioural drivers. But the brain and the immune system are not independent. They constantly talk to each other. By investigating genetics, we can start to map these connections and ultimately better understand and treat these debilitating conditions. That's where GeneAIDED comes in. GeneAIDED stands for the genetics of allergy and immune diseases and eating disorders. And at its core, it's about uncovering the shared genetic links between these two health conditions. GeneAIDED brings together a collaboration of lived experience, researchers and clinicians, and we work across hospitals, university and research institutes across Australia and internationally. I'm Daniela Chichula, a researcher and dietitian, and my PhD has been dedicated to understanding the co-occurrence of allergy and eating disorders. Dr. Sarah Ashley is a genomic and bioinformatics scientist whose work focuses on the genetic and immune responses in food allergy. Associate Professor Rachel Peters is an expert epidemiologist in allergy and the lead of the National Allergy Centre of Excellence Population Health Research Program. Dr. Natasha Berthold is a psychiatric geneticist specialising in eating disorders and has lived experience of anorexia nervosa. Her PhD focused on understanding the complex path from genetic sequence to psychiatric trait and saw her working in labs in the US and New Zealand. Rachel, Ashley and myself are based at the Murdoch Children's Research Institute, located in the heart of Melbourne's biomedical precinct. MCRI is Australia's largest child health research institute, ranked among the top 3 globally for research quality and impact. And it hosts the National Allergy Centre of Excellence, Australia's peak allergy research body. Across the globe, Natasha Berthold is based at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill, one of America's leading public health research universities, renowned for excellence in medicine and public health. Within the University of North Carolina, the Centre of Excellence for Eating Disorders leads the way in clinical care, research and training, advancing global understanding and treatment of eating disorders through innovation and international collaboration.
Together, our team is positioned to deliver the first comprehensive characterisation of the shared genetic pathways underlying allergies and eating disorders.
This has never been done before. We know that both allergy and eating disorders are incredibly complex conditions, so researching them requires equally bold and innovative approaches. By providing this new lens to eating disorder and allergy research, GeneAIDED will help move from reactive care to proactive, personalised health.
Finding common genetic pathways can change how we screen for risk, intervene early, and ultimately how we treat people living with these conditions. GeneAIDED will bring together existing large-scale genome-wide association studies, or GWAS, from international datasets. We will take this further by engaging people with lived experience of eating disorders and allergies and adding to these datasets. This time with a focus on both allergies and eating disorders.
We'll look at the underlying genetics of food allergy, asthma, eczema, and immune conditions, and compare them with the genetics of eating disorders like ARFID, anorexia nervosa, binge eating disorder, and bulimia nervosa.
By doing this at scale with thousands of participants across countries, we can identify shared risk genes, immune pathways, and even look at the differences and similarities across eating disorder diagnoses. We're excited to take this idea forward, and we'd love to invite collaboration, partnership, and support to help us bring GeneAIDED to life.